Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get a cheap hotel on Hotwire.com, and I'm also going to show you a hack that'll help you know exactly what that hot rate hotel is before you click buy. So check it out. Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Explorer, and if you are new to this channel, it is all about travel, exploring, and discovery, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Today we are going to check out Hotwire.com. I'm going to show you how to figure out what hotel you're getting when you get a hot rate hotel. So we're going to just type in Las Vegas here. We're going to try and find you some great deals. Las Vegas, let's pick February 20th to the 21st. And we'll just do a quick search on that. We'll leave the number of people as is. And what's going to come up here is your search results. So there are some great deals for this day. $12 is what I'm seeing as a hot rate. It's 90% off. I'm just going to click on this other one first here. I'm going to show you something. So often you'll see this where it'll show you what the last person booked, and the last person got the Luxor resort for the $65 deal. That is not always the case of the hotel you're going to get. So we're going to figure out exactly what this one is. So let's click on the $12 deal, and it says the last person got the Stratosphere hotel. So it's a good chance that is your hotel, but let's click the show hotels down here. Hotwire says that they guarantee it to be one of these 4 hotels. So click on that. And down at the bottom, write these down. There's the Lucky Dragon Las Vegas, the Stratosphere Hotel, the Embassy Suites, and the Hilton Grand Vacations. So we know it's going to be one of these 4 hotels. Now we're going to close this tab. It did open a second tab when we did that search, and we're going to go back to that main screen, and we're going to click on that deal again, the $12 deal. And we're going to hit Show Hotels again. Now this time they've changed. So it replaced the Lucky Dragon with the D Las Vegas Casino. So we know it's not the Lucky Dragon Hotel. And the Embassy Suites is still there. The Stratosphere is still there. But the last one's new. The California Hotel replaced the Hilton Grand Vacations. So we know it's not the Hilton Grand Vacations. I should also let you know that most of the time that Show Hotels button that shows you the 4 hotels is there, but sometimes you'll find that when you do a search, it's not going to come up. And if that's the case, this method is not going to work for you. So let's go ahead and close this tab one more time. And click on that deal, the $12 deal again. And then we'll hit Show Hotels. And it's changed again. So what has disappeared is the Embassy Suites is gone, and the only hotel that has stayed constant is that Stratosphere Hotel. So we can be pretty sure that if you book this for $12 a night, it's going to be that Stratosphere Hotel, which is a pretty good deal. You have to also remember a lot of these hotels in Las Vegas do have resort fees. So let's go check that out here and see if there are any for this deal. So over here on the right, it'll show you the price. It's $12 a night, $2.65 in taxes, and there is a resort fee of $37, which is normal in Las Vegas. Comes to $51.65, taxes and resort fees all included. So that's actually a really good deal for a night in Las Vegas. So let's close that tab off. Now I do want to mention that this method works much better in bigger cities where there's lots of hotels. If there aren't very many hotels in your city, you can imagine they don't have those options to show you. So just play around with it, try some of these hot rates and see what comes up, and you might be able to figure out what hotel you're getting. I can't guarantee this method, but every time I've used it, it has worked for me. So hopefully you have the same luck. I hope this video helped you out today on getting great deals on Hotwire.com and knowing exactly what hotel you're getting in the hot rate deals. If it did, remember to give it a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe to Northern Viking Explorer because I've got tons of videos coming up that I'd love to share with you. Thanks for watching and take care.